Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install ZipGenius on Windows. So let's see. At first go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type ZipGenius. Press enter. On pressing enter the official website is visible. Click on it. ZipGenius.com. On clicking here the official website is now visible. Now click on download to download for Windows. Here is the version. Click on it, the standard edition. Click on download. The file is downloading. exe file. The download completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Setup is visible. You can select the language from here, English or Italian. I'll go for English and click on OK. Now the license agreement is visible. Click on I accept and click next. Now it will get installed under the following program files directory. It will only take 25 MB. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse. But I'll keep the same. Click on next. Now you need to select the start menu folder, keep it as it is and click on next. Additional task, it will create a desktop shortcut. It will create a shortcut also in quick launch bar. And it will associate .zip and .7z extension files to the software, which is fine. Click next. Ready to install, all the summary is visible. Click on install. Now setup started and it has created a shortcut also. This is the thanks page. Here is the shortcut. Click on it to open it. Here and you can see it started for the first time. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install ZipGenius, which is an alternative of WinZip on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.